Okay, let's start off with the easy one. If you have 2 sevenths plus 3 sevenths, go ahead and copy that down. 2 sevenths plus 3 sevenths. If your denominators are the same, all you have to do is add the tops. So you have 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5, over 7. That's it. Easy, right? Okay, so when you have 2 sevenths plus 3 fifths, go ahead and copy that one down. 2 sevenths plus 3 fifths. I'm going to show you two different methods. The first method is to find the LCD, the lowest common denominator. And the lowest common denominator is 7 and 5, 35. Okay, so the lowest common denominator is 35. How do you get from 7 to 35? You have to multiply by 5, so you're going to multiply this by 5 as well. So you have 10. How do you get from 5 to 35? You multiply by 7, so you're going to multiply by 7 over here as well. So you have 21. Then you just do what you did up here. 10 plus 21 is 31. Keep the denominator. Any questions on that? Making sense? Remember the other method I taught you guys, the butterfly butt? Okay, so you're going to multiply the wings. So these two is 10. These two is 21. And here's your butterfly butt, 35. You keep the butt, 35. And whatever symbol this is, you put it here. 10 plus 21 is 31. You get the same answer. Sometimes on this method, you're going to have to reduce at the end. Okay, so sometimes you have to reduce, but this will work. Okay? So choose whichever method you like best and then use it. Let's move on. Any questions so far? You guys all good? Okay. Now let's talk about multiplying. Multiplying is pretty easy. You just multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. So you have 2 times 3 and 7 times 5. 2 times 3 and 7 times 5. Okay? Remember, when you're adding and subtracting, you add the tops, but you don't add the bottoms. When you're multiplying, you multiply the tops and the bottoms. Okay? So multiply the tops, you have 2 times 3. Multiply the bottoms, you have 7 times 5. Alright? Now, the second question, same as the first. You multiply the tops, and you multiply the bottoms. So we have 10 over 42, but there's a problem. We can simplify. Okay, so what can we divide the top and the bottom by? Divide by 2, divide by 2. We have 5 over 21. Okay? I'm going to show you another method to solve the same problem. This is the method that I like to use better. What you do is you reduce it first. You see this 2? Whatever's on top cancels out with whatever's on bottom. That 2 and the 2 times 3 can cancel, leaving a 3 at the bottom. It's kind of like simplifying. 2 over 6 is 1 over 3. Now you multiply across. You have 5 over 7 times 3, 5 over 21. Whatever's on top cancels out with whatever's on bottom. Any questions?